Beautiful morning on the beach. We go swimming. No hiking today. And you have to do different things. And then we have a plan actually. All about swimming, so we need to practice. We're going to meet Holger. Holger is a white sand divers manager. I would like to hear what he says about all this situation. And that's Holger. What? Still red? No.
Okay.
No, good.
You have to do some color correction later.
Yeah.
No, I'm fine. How are you?
I will just put it somewhere here. Is it okay? It's here.
Yes.
Okay.
Wherever you
Hi, Holger.
Little baby shop here. All good? All good. You wanna drink coffee or juice? After the bridge, they have quite some cases there.
But it was also because someone came from
they came from somewhere,
yeah.
and then you had a few in Merida,
Yeah.
on the way down to the beach there, but directly in Amed. I mean, most of the people here, they go even less to the hospital than before. Before already not, because but now they know if I go to the hospital, I have to do a test. Maybe they find something, so they really avoid anything bringing to the hospital.
So it's like, I don't know, probably because of we have a good weather all the time, sun. We are not that affected, kind of. If we believe in that it's really that 30. How many? 30. At 37 degrees it dies, or 38 degrees it dies.
Yeah, in heat on the surface. But actually, look at Brazil and all this. This was in the beginning. Oh, it's hot here. We're not going to get the virus, but that's not working out. Yeah, it's like also in hot countries happening. And I'm sure we have a lot of unrealized cases. People get sick, but they're not dying, and so they're like after 2 weeks they stay at home. They have a running nose or whatever, and throat. And of course, I'm sure also they have already some old people died here. Maybe of corona, we don't know, because they're not going to test them. They're not going to bring them to hospital. Yeah. Somebody dies in the hill, old grandmother. This is a normal way of life. Yeah. They bring her under, they do cremation, that's it. Nobody's gonna do a swab test and gonna call the doctor, okay, somebody died, may it be corona. It's not really, it's happening, but it's not so crazy. If it would start here that a lot more people die than normally, of course, then something would be.
But I think it's that the panic about all this stuff is already over. Everybody's too tired to be panic state all the time.
That's what I really like on Bali is they're like,
they
take the reality. This is the karma thinking. Yeah. Okay, it's like I cannot change my karma. If if there's a plan for me to get Corona, I'm anyway gonna get it. Yeah?
Exactly.
So I'm not gonna change my life completely and sit at home. Yeah? They're always doing their parties, they do their karaoke, they sit together, they drink tuak, they go to ceremonies,
The
they go
vitamin
to
C, to walk
yes,
with the
it's,
vitamin C.
even the governor, yeah, you have to drink a lot of other
Great.
to stay alive here. And so, and actually, yeah, they have maybe.
So,
have,
we don't have a feeling that the life is stopped.
No.
The life is just
No.
continuing as it was,
No.
like without the tourists,
Yeah.
without the customers.
Yeah.
I was talking yesterday with some hotel owners or bar owners. And they just say, yeah, it's not. Yeah, but we still manage. There's some people coming, and we still manage to live. And,
I think really for Amed, especially this, we had this Django U-boat tourism coming here. I saw it here in Vienna. Like we had really, the hotel was a lot of days, weeks, full booked, all 10 rooms full, all 10 rooms full with people in. They stayed for 2 or 3 weeks.
There was even my
and
students.
They told their friends, hey, come to Amed, it's nice here. Don't stay in Django in quarantine.
Yeah.
Come here, stay 2 weeks there. They have beach. You can go swimming. You can. So really,
Yeah, because the Lipa beach was the only beach which was open.
Yeah, this was a quite clever decision, which made some bad mood in the other villages. They were like,
Yeah.
but that's not our problem. This
No
is
one cared,
head of
actually.
village
Yeah.
thing. So here it was quite. Most of the businesses had kind of customers.
Yeah, just because of that. Yeah, Lipa became number one. Yes, on the list. Yeah.
Also, all the dive centers came now. Yeah, now everybody of all the other dive centers also goes Lipa for diving now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jamlook was closed, so where you going? You go Lipa.
And previously there was not that many divers at Lipa. Right?
No,
So
like
it was
it was like it already changed the last 2-3 years. But when I came 5-6 years ago, there were like maybe 2-3 dive centers that went to Lipa. It was Eurodive and maybe Buddha. He was always coming here. We from Amed Scuba, I went a couple of times, maybe 10 times a year. I was diving in Lipa there. And this was just really nothing. Everything else was Jamlook. And even Nico didn't go here. Yeah. So
Yeah, mostly that's the problem actually. Everybody's just trying to give the low price, and that's why they start saving money. That's why diving only Gemeluk and diving Liberty. That's it.
Yes.
Well,
Or,
probably
I mean, what
we are
they
the
do-
only dive centers who are really trying to go around and show something else. Others just no boat dives because it's more expensive.
Japanese rig more expensive.
yeah, exactly.
Even there, the boat more expensive than the boat there. Yeah.
Yes.
So if you take a boat, you take pyramids and drop off. You just paid 150. I mean now it's 200, but not 300 or 350 what you pay there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all want to make it cheap, and it's anyway the cheapest diving you have in Bali.
Yeah.
Together with Tulamben,
It is, yeah.
Matahari, okay, house reef thing, yeah, but
What do you think about? For example, it's always interesting. Like for example, for me, that's Amed and Tulamben is like a place where we like a auction, right? So with a hammer, right?
Yeah.
With not increasing price, but we drop the price.
we dropped it.
That's crazy. Why we cannot be the same like in Gillies?
I will stop editing on this point because there is no point to continue this interview because it will be included in my upcoming movie. So please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Bye. You may think this is actually Balinese praying. Usually they do it 6 o'clock in the morning, 12 in the noon, and then at the moment it's 6:30 in the afternoon or in the evening. So it sounds like a Muslim praying, but it's actually Balinese, really close.